FIFA has introduced several new rules for the 2026 World Cup, and they all have one main objective: reducing time wasting and keeping the game moving. Football fans have long complained about players delaying restarts, faking injuries, and slowing down substitutions. FIFA believes these new changes will help solve those problems. Some of the rules are straightforward, while others are likely to create controversy. Here are the 6 biggest changes coming to the tournament. The first major change is the new 5-second countdown for throw-ins and goal kicks. If a player takes too long to restart play, the referee will begin a visible countdown. If a throw-in is not taken before the countdown ends, possession will be awarded to the opposing team. If a goal kick is delayed, the opposition will receive a corner kick. FIFA hopes this will reduce unnecessary delays and keep matches flowing more smoothly. While it may help, players will probably find other ways to waste time. The second rule focuses on substitutions. In the past, players often walked slowly off the field when their team was winning, especially in the final minutes of a match. Under the new rule, once the substitution board is displayed, the player leaving the field has only 10 seconds to exit. If they fail to leave within that time, the incoming substitute must wait 1 minute before entering the pitch. During that minute, the team will play with only 10 players. This change is designed to stop deliberate delays during substitutions. The third rule targets fake injuries. Players sometimes stay on the ground longer than necessary to stop play and give their teammates a chance to rest or receive tactical instructions. Under the new system, if a player receives treatment from a physio on the field, that player must leave the pitch for 1 minute before returning. This creates a penalty for stopping the game unnecessarily. Goalkeepers are exempt because removing them from the field for a minute would be difficult to manage. The fourth change expands the role of VAR. Previously, VAR could only review direct red card incidents. Now it can also become involved in situations involving second yellow cards. VAR will also be allowed to review corner kick decisions if the check can be completed quickly without delaying the game. In addition, VAR can correct situations where the wrong player receives a yellow or red card. Supporters believe this will improve fairness, while critics worry it could lead to even more interruptions. The fifth new rule introduces referee body cameras. These cameras will be provided and controlled by tournament organizers, not by the referees themselves. The footage will mainly be used for referee training and development. However, some clips may also be shared with fans to provide a unique perspective of important moments during matches. Seeing a penalty decision or a controversial incident from the referee's viewpoint could offer a better understanding of what officials experience on the field. The sixth and final change involves DOGSO, which stands for denying an obvious goal-scoring opportunity. Under previous rules, a player who committed such a foul often received a red card. If the referee played advantage and a goal was still scored, the red card could be reduced to a yellow card. Under the new rule, if advantage is played and a goal is scored, there may be no card at all because the goal-scoring opportunity was not actually denied. FIFA believes this is a more logical and fair approach. These 6 rule changes are all aimed at the same goal: creating more football and less time wasting. FIFA wants matches to be faster, fairer, and more entertaining for fans around the world. Whether these changes will be successful remains to be seen, but they are certain to have a major impact on the 2026 World Cup. Players, coaches, referees, and supporters will all be watching closely to see how these new rules shape the future of football.